Here we are going to do the thermal testing. Now you can see the temperature here is nearly 20 degrees, and I would like to turn on this DIY right with the CXB3590 turn on. Wow, it's red bright. And then let's going to check the firmware. You can see here. Sorry, I have the closer. Wow, it's very high. I'm sorry, I can see clearly. And you can see the temperature going up, going up, going up. Oh my goodness, this is really 150 Celsius. High temperature. You can chat there. You can chat here. Is 6. Wow, it's very bright. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. 170 degrees Celsius. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh, how is still going? Keep going. That's not good news. That's too bad. So, what's your parent? Firmware texting seems not very good. Oh my goodness, I have to oh my god, wait a minute. Still going up. Oh, that's too bad. That's too bad. Okay, I want to turn off. Check this data. Decrease. Crazy. No matter you win or not, that's the story. Come on, come on, come on. Oh no, no. 17, 16, 16 degree, 15 degree. Oh my god. Oh my god. So the firmware management is crazy, and I do not buy their firmware pack. So do I need a friend for this? I think it would be good if the friend to keep life. A little wrong. That's okay. Goodbye.